Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Today let us discuss a seventh lesson of a history, that is freedom movement, with the help of mind map, flowcharts, important points with charts, maps and pictures. Prepared by myself, M. Rukhsana, Assistant Teacher of Ghalib High School, Cantonment, Bellary. Alhamdulillah, freedom movement. In this unit, you will learn about some topics, that is rise of nationalism, Indian National Congress, moderates, radicals and revolutionaries. Let's know the first topic of freedom movement, that is rise of nationalism. Rise of nationalism. In this, during the second half of the 19th century, many developments like expansion of communism, roads, expansion of English education, journalism and the birth of cultural associations can be witnessed. In 1857, when Indians who suffered in the hands of East India Company put up a strong resistance in the form of First War of Indian Independence in 1857. In 1861, with implementation of Act of 1861, the partition of Indians in the legislation process was adhered in. This is a rise of nationalism. Let's know the other topic, Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress, after the 1857, there was a development of political awakening in India, and many educated youth provided leadership to various associations which had nationalistic outlook. Among them, the Hindu Mela, All Indian Association, Purna Public Sabha and Indian associations are important. And the Vernacular Press Act was implemented by Lord Lytton. During the rule of Lord Lytton, the Vernacular Press Act was implemented to break the independence of independent press, to curb the independence of the independent press. And A.O. Hume, you can see the image of A.O. Hume here. A.O. Hume played an important role in the formation of Indian National Congress, and he was a retired British civil servant and met political leaders in cities like Madras, Bombay and Calcutta and discussed the various issues of public importance. And the Indian National Congress, which changed the direction of Indian political history, was born in a national convention held at Bombay in 1885. And W.C. Banerjee was its first president. You can see the image of W.C. Banerjee in this picture. After that, the British employed divide and rule policy to break the unity emerging among the people with the development of nationalism. This is the Indian National Congress. Let's know about moderates. Traditionally, the first 20 years of the Indian National Congress from 1885 to 1905, from 1885 to 1905 is called as the Age of Moderates. The Age of Moderates start from 1885 to 1905. This period is known as the Age of Moderates. And the main members of the moderates are W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Dadabhai Naoroji, and Surendranath Banerjee. You can see the image of Surendranath Banerjee here. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Badruddin Taibji, etc. were the major moderates leaders, and moderates had faith in peaceful and democratic means of struggle. The moderates had faith in peaceful and democratic means of struggle. And let's see the drain theory. Drain theory means transfer of Indian wealth to England. Transfer of Indian wealth to England. Just like Dadabhai Naoroji, R.C. Dutt, to published books explaining that draining of Indian resources into England. The period between 1885 and to 1905 is called as the Age of Moderates. We learned about the moderates now. Means the main members and when it was started, and what is the faith of a moderates, and what about drain theory. Let's know about the radicals. Radicals who criticized the moderates' thinking and propagated extremist ideas. Radicals who criticized the moderates' thinking and propagated extremist ideas. And this era was started, means radicals era was started from 1905 to 1915. 1905 to 1915. And radicals are saying to the moderates are political beggars. According to whom? According to radicals, moderates are political beggars. Let's see the main members of the radicals. That is, you can see in the image here, Lala Lajpat Roy, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Aurobindo Ghosh, etc. are the main members of the radicals. What we had studied in the radicals, who are radicals, and from when it was started, and what they are called to the moderates. Let's know about the division of Bengal. Viceroy Lord Curzon thought of dividing Bengal in the name of administration. Lord Curzon, he was a viceroy, and thought of dividing Bengal in the name of administration. In reality, Bengal had more population of Muslim and Hindu. More population of Muslim and Hindu. Where? In Bengal. In the eastern part of Bengal, there was a Muslim population. More Muslim population. In the western part, which is red in color, there was a Hindu population here. In the eastern part, Muslim population. In the western part, there was a Hindu population. The British divided Bengal in 1905. Like this, the British thought of suppressing the spirit of national freedom struggle with the division of Bengal. British thought that of suppressing the spirit of national freedom struggle with the division of Bengal. The division of Bengal in the 1905 was opposed by Indian National Congress, was against the Indian National Congress. The division of Bengal resulted that in the widespread protest across the country. The division of Bengal resulted in the widespread protest across the country, and the whole India involved in the Swadeshi movement. The whole India was involved in the Swadeshi movement. The Indians were encouraged to use local goods, not foreign goods. In 1911, the British government withdrew the Bengal division order. When it was withdrawn? In the 1911. This is the division of Bengal. Let's know about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. This is an image of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And Bal Gangadhar Tilak declared that Swaraj is my birthright. I would definitely get it back. And this is a slogan also. Swaraj is my birthright. Swaraj is my birthright. Swaraj means independent, freedom. Is my birthright. I would definitely get it back. Who was saying this? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And they attempted to organize people by employing religious celebrations too. They used Ganesh festival, Shivaji festival, Durga celebration to organize people against the British. And Bal Gangadhar Tilak published the newspaper Kesari in Marathi, and Maratha in English language. Kesari in Marathi, Maratha in English. This is the newspaper published by Bal Gangadhar Tilak to encourage common people to protect against the British. To encourage the common people to protect against the British. After that, Tilak wrote a book that is Gita Rahasya. Tilak wrote a book Gita Rahasya in the prison. What we learned about the Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Their slogan, which festivals they are celebrated, and newspapers which published by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and he had written one book that is a Gita Rahasya. Revolutionaries. This is the last topic of this lesson. Revolutionaries dreamed to attain complete freedom. What is the main dream of the revolutionaries? To attaining complete freedom. And what are the methods they are employing? Their method was violent. Which method they are applying? Violent method. And what they are collecting? They are collecting money and weapons. Revolutionaries are collecting money and weapons, and they suppress, they destroy the British officers and the main centers of the British. What they destroyed here? They destroyed the British officers and the centers of the British. Abhinava Bharata से Abhivanava Bharata and Anushila Simiti. Abhivanava Abhivanava Bharata and Anushila Samiti were the two important secret organizations in India. These are the secret organizations in India, which it is Abhivanava Bharata and Anushila Samiti were the important organization. And the main centers are main members of the revolutionaries are Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, V.D. Savarkar, etc. are the main members of the revolutionaries. The role of revolutionaries is very important in many ways in the annals of Indian history. Our lesson is completed now. I think that you can understand very well. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for upcoming lessons. Thank you.